Makes the score 12-2 Edinboro.
Number 35 Atherley on the last point. Brooklyn with the ball. Brooklyn tosses it in. Number 2 Samuels with the ball, coming off the right side of the court, looking for an open man. Atherley seems to be guarding it pretty well, though. Dishes it into the middle, looking for an open man again. Brooklyn with the ball. Going left and right and left and right. Looking for an open man, still offered in the corner. Atherley in front. Point's good for Brooklyn. Wolf again driving down the left side of the court. Moving off to the right side, looking for an open man, maybe a shot. Being guarded pretty heavily by the Brooklyn defender. Dishes it into the middle, Atherley again. And Brooklyn will take over. Never mind, Craddock will take. Edinboro will take over. Craddock to throw the ball in. Brooklyn into Atherley. Atherley with the shot. And it's good.
That was a 3-point shot that makes the score 15-4 Edinboro right now.
Brooklyn coming in, yes, yet again. Looking off to the left. Left finds an open man. Stolen by Edinboro. Oh, stolen by Edinboro. Craddock with the steal. Looking for a man downfield. Off to Atherley again. Atherley driving downfield, almost runs into his teammate. Dishes it into Wolf. And it looks like it'll be Brooklyn's ball to take over. And a substitution's being made. Ball's put into play by Brooklyn. Brooklyn coming down the right side of the field. Looking for a way to capitalize. Brooklyn on the right. Heavy face guard. Shot from deep. And no good. Rebounded by Edinboro. Craddock coming down the side. Looking for an open man. We got a little tangle up in the middle, but he's wide open. Now he's got 2 players in front of him. Dishes it off to the right to Slay. Looking for an open man, off to Wolf. And stoppage of play. Looks like we're coming up back to a throw-in. McNeil throws it in. Stoppage of play again. Apparently he might have thrown it in too early. McNeil in the back to throw again. McNally tossed into Slay. Slay on the left. Looking for a man, looking for a man. Brings it back out. Still looking for a man, still looking for a man. Ours the lead with the point. Brooklyn coming down the left side. Tangled up. And Edinboro's ball. McNally to throw in again. McNally to Wolf. Wolf coming on the left side. Wolf with the shot from deep. Rebounded by Brooklyn. Brooklyn coming down with a lot of speed. Brooklyn looking for a man. They find a man off to the right. Arthurly's on him, in his face. Off to Slay in his face. They pass it in the middle. Point by Brooklyn. McNally coming down the left side. Wolf on the right. Hunting into the middle. Looking off to the left. Dishing it in the Wolf. Wolf off to the right. Maybe looking for a shot, maybe looking for a receiver. Has Nally in the corner. McNally with the ball again. Shot by McNally, and it's good. Brooklyn driving down the field again. Looking for an open man. Maybe he'll take the shot. He takes the shot. No good. Rebounded by Edinboro. Wolf with the ball again. Coming down. Coming down. A bunch of people in his way, but he's making his way through. Looking for a shot, maybe looking for an open man. Cuts it in. Finds MacArthur. A little bit of tussle. Brooklyn again with the ball coming down the left. Still looking for a way to get into the double digits. Tosses it off, high throw, still caught by the Brooklyn. Brooklyn with a shot, no good, rebounded by Edinboro. Wolf again with the ball, carrying it to the left. Looking for a man, finds Arthur Lee in the middle. Thrown up, and no good. Arthur Lee comes up for the free throws. First one's good. Up for two. The shot. No good. Arthur Lee driving. Looking to break up the play. Good tussle. Brooklyn again. And Edinboro ball. And we got some subs coming in from the looks of it. And with 8:36 remaining, your score is Edinboro 18, Brooklyn 6. Ball's tossed in. Edinboro looking from the left. Coming from the left. Looking strong. We got a bunch of new. The shot from in the paint. No good, but rebounded by Edinboro again. And it's up and it's good. Extending their lead by 14. Brooklyn coming down the right side. Looking for someone. Off to the left, thrown out of bounds, and Edinboro will take over. Craddock with the throw in. Thrown in to number 14, Spillers. Arthur Lee coming down the left side. Looks like he's on his own down there. Looking for a man. Dishes it across the court. Up to Craddock again, up top. Thrown up by Edinboro for another 2 points. Brooklyn looking for an open player to dish the ball into the paint, possibly. Surveying, looking, under pressure. Cut, thrown into the middle. Up, shot deflected, taken over by Edinboro. Arthur Lee downfield with a long huck. To Spillers. Spillers up, and it's good. Brooklyn off with the left with the ball. Still off to the left with the ball. The shot, no good. And it will go out of bounds, making Edinboro take over. Craddock's throw. Spillers coming down the court. Halfway there, what are they gonna do? Spillers looking, driving in. Looking for an open man. Spillers takes a shot, and it's good. For another 2 points for Edinboro. Extending their lead to 20. Brooklyn surveying, looking down, looking around, looking for an open man. Edinboro's defense has been on them all night though, or all morning. It is 11 o'clock. Craddock with the ball. Craddock throws into Spillers. Spillers looking. Driving to the left. Spillers looks. Off. And up and good for 2 more points. Dupree with the 2-point shot. Brooklyn's really going to have to speed up their pace of the game if they hope to take this one in the half. Looking, surveying, looking around, dishes across. Up for the shot. Brooklyn with the shot, rebounded by Edinboro. With some speed coming down the court. Arthurly with the ball, looking, left, right. Ran into some traffic, dishes out as he falls. And it will take Brooklyn will take over on their own half. Looking again from the right. And then the left. Coming back to the left. Dishing back off to the right. In the deep corner. The shot. That's made. Put 2 on the board for Braddock. Spillers looking. Goes into Dupree. Dupree up. Rebounded by Brooklyn. Brooklyn coming on the left side. Looking for a way to cut down this lead. He has an open shot. He takes it. Rebounded by Dupree. Dupree to Arthurly. Arthurly wide open on the right, on the left side. Cuts it in across. The Spillers. Spillers up. And it's good. Brooklyn looking for their options. Looking to see what they can do. Off to the left. Moving. Dished out. Dished into the middle. Wide open. Shot is good. Dupree with the ball. With Arthurly on his left. Dupree looks. He looks. Dishes it off across. Dishes back up top. Craddock with the pass off to Spillers. Spillers with the shot. And Brooklyn will take over. Brooklyn looking a little winded, maybe a little frustrated with the score, but we're going to have to see what they can do. Brooklyn looking off to the right. Finds him under the middle. Throws it up, and it's good. Cutting Edinboro's lead to 18. Spillers driving. Craddock on his right. Arthurly on his left. Craddock up top with the ball, looking. It's broken up. Craddock's going back. Picks it up. Off to Dupree. Pass thrown out of bounds. Brooklyn will take over.
You called a timeout.
And a timeout's called. Brooklyn with the throw-in. With 1 minute and 50 seconds left. Looking for a way to cut the lead. Brooklyn in the middle. Looking for a shot, maybe. Off to the left, dishes it to the right. Still looking for a shot. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 14, 13. Up top again with the shot. And it's no good. Brooklyn recovers. Again up top with the shot. Again missed. Rebounded by Edinboro. Arthurly with the ball. Coming down the right side. Looking for a man. 2 people on. Off to Dupree, and it's thrown a little wide. Brooklyn brings it back into the Edinboro zone. Off to the right. Looking for someone in his face. Up top again. To the right again. Craddock in his face. Looking for a way to block the shot. Serving. Looking for someone. Takes a shot. Up. Rebounded by Edinboro. Bays past Arthurly. Arthurly on the left. Arthurly into the middle. Off to Spillers. Back up top to Craddock. Craddock holding. Back across Arthurly. Arthurly holding. Off to Bays. Holding. Off to Craddock. Holding still. Holding for the last shot. 4 seconds left on the shot clock. Shots up. Good by Edinboro for another 2. Spillers with the shot. Five seconds remaining on the clock. We'll see what Brooklyn can do. Maybe they'll throw it up, maybe they'll hold. We're about to find out. And as time expires, your score, 32-12 Edinboro. So what do you think about the first half? Anything good?
I think both teams are doing really, really well, and I think that they're being very competitive in what they're doing, and I think that it's going to be an interesting game. From what we've seen so far, I think they're very passionate about passing it back and forth. They're very, very good.
Of course.
I think Edinboro got a steady lead in the first few minutes, and that's what's pulled them ahead,
Yeah.
but they're staying consistent.
Exactly. If the consistency stays up, I would expect for the score to stay about around this. They're holding them off by 20 right now.
Yeah.
They were up a little bit more at one point, but as of right now, it looks like they're probably going to stay around the 20 range.
Yeah.
Really big, some would call them crazy ideas. For those who have been told no, no chance, and not you. Those who never miss practice, even at 6 a.m. Those who break a sweat, break hearts, and break records. For those who work harder, smarter, faster, there's Edinboro University. For those who strive. Start now at edinboro.edu. If you listen carefully, you can hear it. If you listen carefully, you can hear it. It's in the voice of a professor leading a class of freshmen. It's in the sound of a whistle during two-a-day practices on the football field. It's in the laughter of students in hour 8 of an all-night study session. But it's probably most recognizable this way. You see, it's more than just teaching and guiding. It even goes beyond inspiration. To anyone who's set foot on our campus, it's something much more. It's a call, a signal to each of our students, our faculty, our alumni, a battle cry to strive for something greater. For 160 years, that call has driven us to provide the education and experience students need for success in an ever-changing world. And it continues to drive our next chapter, to demand more from everyone on campus and beyond. The path is not easy. It takes passion, perseverance, and grit. That's why we continually challenge our students and our faculty. So when students leave our campus, they're ready to handle whatever the world throws at them. Throughout our history, we've created a place for those willing to work, those willing to go further to better themselves, those willing to aim for something greater. It calls for hard work. It requires heart. It demands bravery. Edinboro University. For those who strive.
Basketball game at Macomb Fieldhouse with Edinboro taking on Brooklyn. Right now at half, your score remains 32-12, Edinboro. Edinboro's played a pretty good game so far, I think. Their defense has been pretty well. They've been holding them off pretty well. Possession-wise, I think Edinboro's had the ball a lot more than Brooklyn has.
Yeah.
But I also think it comes down to the sole fact that from what I can see up here, Brooklyn looks to have about 7 players to Edinboro's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You're gonna count them? With 2.5 more minutes left on halftime, we are your hosts.
Shane Walden.
And I'm Samantha McKinley, and we're here bringing you your play-by-play. The men's wheelchair basketball has already played one game today, and it was covered earlier this morning at 9:30 a.m. And here we are again covering this one against Brooklyn.
Yes, of course. And we will continue to be covering games over here at Macomb Fieldhouse for the remainder of the day. Maybe not me and Sam, but someone.
Someone will be.
Someone will be covering the games.
We got another minute and a half of halftime, so just sit back and relax, and we'll wait for the game to start. Alrighty, we're resuming
And looks
this
like
game.
Brooklyn will take over with the ball to start the second half. Brooklyn off to the left, dishing off. Looking for an open man. Going left and rolling right. Still looking. Dishes it up top to the middle. Looking left, looking right, off to the right. Off to the right. No one in his face. Might take the shot. Dishes in the middle. Hits Wolf in the head. Slay with the ball. Looking deep, down to Wolf. Wolf off to Spiller. Spiller up. Looking again. Still looking to Wolf. Wolf with the shot. Goes in and it's good. Ball played in by Brooklyn. Two men coming down the field. Dishes it off to the left. Looking for a shot maybe. Takes the shot, it's up and it's no good. Rebounded by Wolf yet again. Wolf in, has some traffic, going through it, off to the right. Coming down the court with speed. Wolf with the shot. No good, rebounded by Brooklyn. Ball's on the ground, no one knows. Up by Slay. Slay dishes back. Shot is up and is good as the shot clock expires. Book and Reed takes over. Coming down the court. Looking to maybe change it up this time. Wolf in his face. Wolf in his face yet again. Dishes it off. Rough pass. Still recovered by Brooklyn. Brooklyn with the ball. Another rough pass. Back it off. McNow in front with the shot. Natty off to McNow. McNally coming down the field at the E. At the middle, up top. Looking for a shot. He's wide open. McNally looking left. Stoppage of play coming up. Red ball takes over. Wolf with it up top yet again. Wolf looking around. Still looking around. Still looking around. Looking for an option. He finds one maybe. Cutting off to the right. Up top to Spiller again. Spiller looking. Off to the left to Slay. Slay to the right. Slay looking. Into the middle to Wolf again. Wolf with the ball. Looking still. Still in traffic. Still in traffic. Puts it up. Rebounded by Brooklyn. Wolf in his face. Wolf really trying to break up the play right now. But he drops back into the paint. Looking up top. In his face yet again. Wolf with the defense. Looking nice. Brooklyn puts it in. Puts it up. Rebounded by McNally. McNally driving. At the E again. Coming off to the left. Looking for the shot. Holds. What will he do? We back up. Will he take the shot? He's into Oh. Spiller with the shot. And it's good. Spiller steps up to the line. Looking to extend the lead. First shot made. Brooklyn coming down the field, looking for a way. Wolf in his face again, up top. He's been up there all day. Up. Back over to the left. Serving, Slay in his face. Dishes it off to the middle, he's in the paint. Shot is missed and short, and Wolf will take it. Wolf into McCrowley. Wolf down again, has the ball back. Looking for something to do, looking for something to do. He drives in, he puts it up, and it's good. Wolf again. He's been all over the court today, playing defense and offense. Three of Brooklyn's players coming down the front, looking. Off to the right a little bit to shot it up. And it's no good. Off Wolf and out. Brooklyn will take over. Looks like Dupree's coming back into the game, subbing out number 14, Spillers. The shot's up and is no good by Brooklyn yet again. Taken over by Dupree from the moment he came into the game. Dupree coming down with speed. Dupree looking. McNow with the shot, rebounded by Brooklyn. Everybody hustling to get back. Trying to get back on defense. Wolf coming in a little short. But he's on the ball handler's hip, just like that. Brooklyn up with the shot. No good. Rebounded by Dupree. Dupree with the ball. He just came in. Let's see what he can do. He's coming off to the middle. He's cutting to the middle. Coming off to the left. Coming on the left. Looking for a man. Looking for a man. Stops. Pulls up. Sitting up top. Sitting up top. Into Wolf. Across the slate. And it is no good. Brooklyn will take over. And with 45 left, your score is 39 Edinboro, 12 Brooklyn. Brooklyn coming in with the ball again. Two men to the left. Looking. Left, right. Wolf in his face again. He's been there all night. He's living there. Brooklyn with the shot. And it's good. Wolf with the ball. Dishes in to Slay. Back to Wolf. Up to Slay. Wolf to himself. Wolf with the ball to the left. Wolf throws it in. McHalley. Up. No good. However, it looks like McNally's coming to the line. Puts it up. And it's good. Shot number one is good. McNally for two. Misses. Trying to drop back in on defense. Either man short down on the defense right now. McNally chasing. He's beating one man, so we're good. We're back to even strength. We're good. Oh, Brooklyn off to the right. Dishes into the middle. Brooklyn with the shot up, and it's good. Wolf plays it into McNally. McNally looking. Coming off to the right. Top of the E. He's coming down on the right side. Up top, looking for a man. There's a little bit of confusion there with a whistle on the other court, but I don't know what's happening. Okay, McNally with the ball into the middle to Slay again. Slay holding it high. Slay with the reach. Gets the point. Brooklyn with the ball up top, off to the left, looking for an open man. Slay in his face, off to the right. Wolf in his face, smacks it away, pushing it off to the left. Ball still rolling. Looks like it will be Edinboro's ball.
Score is now 42-16, Edinboro.
Ball into Wolf. Wolf off to the right, looking for a man. McNally up top. McNally dishes into Dupree. Dupree with the shot, no good, rebounded, and it will be off of Edinboro. Brooklyn's ball. Slay and Wolf a little late to get back on the defense. But we're good because they're set up like always. Let's see what they can do now. Brooklyn with the shot. Missed wide. It goes down. Edinboro will take back over. McNally with the ball. Got some new faces coming in onto the court. Wolf bringing it down the field. Court. Keep saying field. But we're off to the right anyways. It doesn't matter. Because Wolf has the ball and he's driving and he's going through defenders left and right. Foul is called. And it looks like it will be a throw. Off to Wolf. Up to the right again. No one in his face. Still no one in his face. Across the court. Tisdale. Into the middle to Dupree. Dupree with the shot, and it's good. Dupree seemed got a little caught up there. Got a little tangled up. But he's still coming back quick. Still one of the first offenders back down the court. Brooklyn up top. Looking still. Wolf in his face. Spillers again in his face. Cut into the middle. Shot up by Brooklyn. And as it rolls around and goes in. Wolf with the ball. Dished in yet again. Coming down the court. Wolf to the left. Looking for a man. Maybe not. Maybe he'll take it himself. Looking for a guy now as he runs into a defender. Off to the left. Up top. Dupree to Spiller. Spiller looking. Spiller in. And it's rebounded by Brooklyn. Brooklyn coming down the field with speed, with men on their side too. And there's a stoppage of play. Looks like Brooklyn's gonna have another throw in. Dishes it in. Man to the left, looking up, across the court to number 11. The shot's up, and it's no good. Rebounded by Dupree. Edinboro will take over. Dupree coming down the right side. Looking, all alone, into the middle. Puts it up. No good. No shot. From the looks of it, I think Dupree's about to step up to the free throw line. Or there's a timeout called, actually.
Timeout by Edinboro. Score is now 44-18 with 10 minutes and 18 seconds on the clock.
They're really starting to extend that lead pretty well. I thought they were going to hold it at 20, maybe be around 20, but they're shooting for 30 if they keep playing well right now.
This game is really... It's really interesting to see all of these people out and just playing basketball with all of their hearts.
Ball rolling from the other court. Looks like it's coming down. Will it go all the way to the bleachers? It will not. Thrown back. Ball thrown in by Wolf. Off to Dupree. Back to Wolf. Wolf up top. Yet again. Off to the right. Looking. No one in his face. What will he do? Take the shot. Back off. Hold. No one knows. Still no one in his face. They don't want to seem to get close to him for some reason. Up in the wire. He still has the ball. It doesn't matter to him. And he throws it to the ref.
It's smart for Edinboro at this point of the game to keep the ball away from
just to hold
Brooklyn.
it. Honestly, you're right. Like, if they're up by almost 30 at this point, I would do the same thing.
I would hold
it
stall the ball
until
for
the
as
shot
long
clock
as
comes down to the last couple seconds, and then take the shot. Dupree with the ball, back to Wolf. Yet again, Wolf holding. Seems like that's what they're gonna do, is just hold the ball.
It's smart.
Especially with 9 minutes left. With 9 minutes left, it's a little ahead of it, but it's all right. Wolf with the ball again, driving in. Wolf with the shot, and it's good. Brooklyn driving back down the field. Going off to the left. Dishes into the middle. Dupree in his face, shot. Rebounded by Brooklyn yet again, tossed again. Brooklyn with the ball, rebounded again, but this time by Edinboro. Dupree bringing it down this right side of the field. Looking to expand their lead by 30 with another basket. Off to Wolf yet again. Wolf into the middle to Spillers. Spillers extends the lead to 30. You can definitely start to see this Brooklyn team starting to slow down.
Both teams
I don't know
seem...
if they're tired or what it is, or just the morale from being down by 30. But
Yeah.
anyways, Brooklyn off to the left, takes a shot. Made. Cutting the lead to 28. Bays throws it into Wolf. Wolf coming down the left side. Looking for a man, looking for a man. Bays moves off to the right with some speed. McClaymon looking to get the ball in his hands maybe. Off to Dupree. Dupree with the shot, and it's good. Brooklyn carrying the ball. Slower than usual at this point, it looks like. But still not giving up. They're moving to the top. Dishes into the middle. Into the paint. The shot. Deficit cut back down to 28. Wolf off to the left, carrying it down. Off to the left. Puts his man off to the left as he moves to the right. He's up top yet again. Looking for Claymont at this point. Up to Dupree. Dupree with 2 men on him. Puts it up. And it's rebounded by Brooklyn. Brooklyn with the ball, carrying it down court. Off to the right. Brooklyn goes off to the left. It's thrown up. It's rebounded. It's blocked by Wolf. Wolf has the ball. Brooklyn has the ball. The shot goes up, and it's good. Bays plays it in to Wolf. Wolf coming down the left side yet again. Seems to be his favorite side. Cuts into the paint. Wolf into the paint. Ball is up. Rebounded and no good. Wolf comes up to the free throw line. Looking to keep his team ahead. Shot is up. No good. Comes up for 2. Shots up. And Wolf is good for 1. Wolf's locked in right now. I don't know what this is, but he's kind of pinned in by 2 players right now. I do not know what is going on. Okay, and the ball is off left. Wolf breaks free, coming back down to help his defenders. Trying to keep the 1 man out. Bush dishes in. Wolf in his face. Spiller's in his face. Shot clock expires. Dupree with the ball, coming down. And there seems to be another tie-up down on the other end. Dupree with the ball, coming down. Up the middle, looking for a man. Up top, man in his face. Off to Bays. Bays has the ball. Bays looking to see what he can do. Dishes it off to Wolf. Wolf again on the left side. Looking for a man. McClaymon, it comes in with the pick. Spiller with the ball, looking to take a shot. Takes a shot, puts it up. No good. Rebounded by Brooklyn. Brooklyn takes the ball, coming up top part of the court, top part of the E. Wolf coming in with speed, in his face. Bays moving over to Brooklyn moving, left, right. Their players are everywhere. They're locked in down bottom. McClay in his face. The shot's up, and it's no good. Rebounded by Dupree. Dupree moving down, tosses it up to Wolf. Wolf's all alone in there with Spillers. Wolf puts it up, and it's good. And that's another one for Wolf. Brooklyn coming down the bottom of the E, looking for a way to stay in this game. Off to the right. Holding. He's looking. Up top again. Still looking, coming back down again. Yes, Nick. Up top again, one-handed. From deep, with the shot, no good. Rebounded by no one, and it goes out of bounds, making it Edinboro ball as the subs come in. Slay's checking back into the game from the looks of it right now. Taking out Wolf. What an amazing game by Wolf. I don't know if he's staying out completely or if we'll see him later on again. But anyways, back to the game. Dupree up top, taking it off to the right. Looking to see what happens. We have a tie up down at the bottom. Dupree's down there though with the ball. Looking. Slay cuts in as he with the rebound again, and I think this is gonna be a Brooklyn ball. Slay came into the game, bodied some kid, got the ball, brought it into the net. If he would have capitalized with the shot, that would have been interesting. Brooklyn comes back in with the ball. Coming down around the bottom of the E. Coming up into the paint with the shot, nothing. Rebounded by Slay yet again. Slay with the ball, coming down. Moving with speed, looking for someone. Dupree, he finds him. Dupree bobbles it, and it falls out of bounds, making it Brooklyn's ball. And with 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in this game, your scores: Edinboro 51, Brooklyn 24. 23, my bad. 53, there we go. Close enough. There's flags in the way. Brooklyn with the ball up top. Looking left. Passes it left. Holding Dupree in his face. Dupree with a spin. Not letting him go. He won't let up. He won't let go. Spinning back left again in his face. Bays with it. Dishes into the middle. Up top, Slay again in his face. Slay with the rebound yet again. Slay with speed, throws it down deep to Dupree. Dupree puts it up, and he's good for another two-pointer. Brooklyn with the ball yet again. Two men coming down, off to the left. The Claymont in his face. Stop. Shot. Drop. Rebounded by Dupree. Tangled up. Bays down on the Edinboro side, ready to throw it in. Bays to Dupree again. Dupree and Bays taking their time, coming down the court. Dupree with the ball, holding. Off to Spiller. Spiller holding. Off to Dupree in the middle again. Broken up. Seems to be a lot of talking going on down there. Dupree coming up to the line. I think we have Dupree with 2 right now. Shot number 1. Good. Let's see if he can make it a 2-foot. Brooklyn with the ball, bringing it back down. Looking, surveying, looking for a shot. He takes it. He misses. Rebounded by Dupree yet again. Dupree driving, looking for a man. Slay's to the left, pushes it to Slay. Slay puts it up, and it's good. Brooklyn coming down the court right now with all 5 men on their side. No one back on offense. No one to pass it to as they set up a play, as it looks like right now. They're off to the right. McClaymon in his face. Slay in his face. Looking, spinning. Looking for something to do, trying to hold on to anything. Bays with the block. Back up. Slay in his face yet again. Bays backing off. Puts it up. Right as time expires. Slay with the ball yet again. Coming down the bottom of the E. Bringing it up top. Slay with the ball. Looking. Holding. Dishes it off to Dupree. Dupree looking. He's got the shot. Puts it off to Slay again, though. Slay with another one. He has definitely been the dominant player on this court. Him and Wolf have been dominating the entire time they've been on the court. As it comes down to the last minute of play, Brooklyn comes across the midline with the ball, looking to see what they can do still. Holding. 16 seconds, 15 seconds, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Puts it up. Nothing. Rebounded by Dupree again. Looking for the triple-double maybe at this point. Dupree coming down. Looking. Off to the right to Slay yet again. Slay puts it up after the whistle, and it's no good. As the clock continues to run, 19 seconds left. Your score, Edinboro 60, Brooklyn 24. Brooklyn takes it down for what seems might be the last drive of this game. Looking to see what they can do. No one knows. It's over at this point, but we're going to see what will happen in the last 4, 2, 1. Forgot 3. The shot goes up, and it's good. From deep. From the end of the E. And your final score, Edinboro 60, Brooklyn 24. We're going to take a small commercial break, and we'll be right back with you.
For those who think, those who create, those who have big ideas, like really, really big, some would call them crazy ideas. For those who have been told no chance, and not you. Those who never miss practice, even at 6 a.m. Those who break a sweat, break hearts, and break records. For those who work harder, smarter, faster, there's Edinboro University. For those who strive. Start now at edinboro.edu.
Anyways, if I was going to go over that last game, I would definitely say that Edinboro was clearly the better team. As the final score will show, 60-27, because they finally put up that 3.
Yes.
That happened right at the buzzer.
Definitely. That was a very intense game from both teams. They both did amazing. Edinboro coming out on top. It was a very good game.
I would definitely have to say there was a lot of people that really kind of stood out, but if I had to pick one, it's hard to honestly pick one. There's a lot of people that stood out in that game that had a lot of points, a lot of rebounds, and a lot of assists.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, it's very hard. If I had to pick probably a top player of the game, I'd have to look at a stat sheet at this point, just for the sole fact that everyone played and performed pretty much how they should have to win this game. But anyways, for this game, I'm signing off. My name's Shane Waldron.
I'm Samantha McKinley.
And we'll be back with you in a little bit.